Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to fix featured photos not appearing on Facebook. And if you watch this video, I'm going to show you a quick solution on how to fix featured photos not appearing on Facebook. So first of all, we're going to launch our Facebook application. And from here, we are going to refresh or reload the page, since sometimes the issue may be temporary and the only way to fix it may be trying to refresh or reloading the Facebook page. Another thing that we can actually do is try updating our application to the latest version. And as you can see, mine does have an update, and I may have to tap on the update. Yours does have a version, or there is an update to your devices. I would suggest that you update your devices to the latest update. Another thing that we can actually do is to check with our internet connection and choose either we're going to use the Wi-Fi or the bundles to have a fast speed connection with the internet. Another thing that we can actually do is try clearing our cache data, since clearing the app's cache and data may help resolve the problem. Another thing we can actually do is try a different browser or device. If you're accessing Facebook through a web browser, try using a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. Sometimes browser compatibility or device specific issues can affect how content is displayed. Another thing we can actually do is report the issue to Facebook if none of the above options that I've showed you or above solutions that I've showed you isn't working. And by following these solutions that I've given to you, you may be able to fix the problem of featured photos not appearing on Facebook. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.